1 year ago, Coverado sent me these seat covers to review, install, see what I thought, and a lot of you also seem to be looking for seat covers, so I figured I'd update that video with my thoughts and answer some of the comments that I missed. Now, the fact that these seat covers are still on after a year and more or less look exactly like they did when I first put them on, that's a pretty good start. One of the most helpful comments was when I first put these seat covers on, the front seats I actually put on backwards, so the airbag cutouts were on the inside instead of the outside. As you can see, I fixed those, so everything's great, and thank you for everybody that commented that those were backwards. I'm sure you helped a lot of people out. Now, overall, my thoughts from the first video haven't really changed much. These seat covers are now 5-6 road trips in. The headrests are still loose fitting and kind of ugly. The front seats fit extremely well, and the back seats are a universal fit. So it's more or less just a blanket over the whole thing. It protects the seats. I now have a 4-month-old, so all the spills, my other kid, all his spills, everything kind of stays off the cloth seat, so it's more or less just a protective cover over the back seats. But the front seats, I'm super happy with. Now that I have done a few road trips, somebody was asking whether or not these made you sweat at all or if they breathed pretty well. I haven't noticed too much. I know when sometimes we're going through Yuma or the desert, it does get kind of hot in here, but it hasn't been uncomfortable, and I haven't noticed them on a road trip, which I guess is what you're looking for. One of the comments I saw was asking if they get super hot in the summer, and I always wear pants, but my wife in shorts, they're just like leather seats. If it's baking in the sun, black's going to absorb the heat and it's going to be hot. It's no different than your seat belts or anything else, so I wouldn't really hold that against the seat covers. If you are interested in these seats, I have a coupon code down below that should save you 10% on the covers. I also have an Amazon link, and I do get a kickback from those links to help make videos like this one. The big question is would I recommend these still? And as long as you're aware that the back seats are more just a cover over the seat and they don't fit perfectly like the front seats do, yeah, absolutely. They aren't ripping like some of the comments were saying the stitching was coming undone in their Amazon reviews. I haven't had any problems. I can only speak to obviously this set, but they're holding up great. They still look great, and they do exactly what I wanted them to do, which was protect cloth seats from kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them all. Otherwise, thanks for watching.